Ready to ditch the channel flipping arguments and unleash YouTube TV on every screen in your house? First things first, make sure your second TV is a smart TV or has a compatible streaming device like a Roku, Chromecast with Google TV, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV connected. This is how you'll access YouTube TV. Now power on your second TV and head to its App Store. Search for the YouTube TV app. Once you find it, download and install the YouTube TV app. After installation, open the YouTube TV app. You'll be prompted to sign in. Grab your phone or laptop and go to YouTube. Enter the code displayed on your TV screen. This links your TV to your YouTube TV account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in process. Your second TV is now linked. That's it. You can now enjoy YouTube TV on multiple TVs simultaneously, each with its own viewing experience. And you can also create separate profiles for individual members in your household. Happy streaming!